Welcome to SoccerCon 2019. I'm here as Caduceus Clay from Critical Role. I'm going to tell you how I made this costume. There's a glob circle behind me. I don't know if you heard the loud shouting. Maybe this isn't the best place to record, but let's talk about it. We're going to start this tutorial from the bottom up. First, the shoes. I started with a pair of Tabi shoes that I bought off of Amazon.com. The shoes will run you about $40 to $60. I was having a lot of trouble painting them, however. I tried a lot of different silicone and urethane-based rubbers to try to coat the shoes so I could get them from black to brown. However, none of that was working. I ended up going with good old barge contact cement. I coated those shoes with that, and then I did a custom mixture of Weldwood's low VOC, low flammable contact cement mixed with acrylic paints. You're going to find this in a green can. It's going to look a lot different than classic barges, which is a sort of clear with a yellow tint. It's apparently a neoprene rubber mixture. I actually found this to be a godsend because not only did I use it for the shoes, I used it for the armor, and I even used it to coat the lichen that's on the armor itself. So I used it pretty much on the entire costume. I'd also like to credit Punish Props for this idea because they suggested it in their foam coating tutorial. So I'll send a link to that below. The costume is just made out of EVA foam. I bought Y40 from Friendly Foam Shop because it's a little bit denser than normal EVA foam. That way I could make the armor a lot thinner without it bulking me up, but it would still hold a nice shape. It's coated with that same contact cement acrylic paint mixture. The best parts about the costume are the 3D printed crystal and the laser cut light. Parts of the costume. I just got really lucky to find an iridescent organza. It's just covered with puffy paint, puffy paint, puffy paint, puffy paint. If you like embroidery, that's good for you, but I don't have that time. Staff is made out of a air dry foam, very similar to the EVA foam products that you can buy now from here or there. But unfortunately, I used about 700 grams of it, and that's going to run you at least $60. As we are closing in to the end of this tutorial, I just want to say thank you for joining me on this journey. I've been getting such a great reception for this costume, so I really wanted to share how I made it. The last 4 components of hair and makeup are the wig, the ears, the face, and the beard. All 4 of these pieces were purchased, available to purchase online. See the links below. The beard I got from a local costume shop. It is a real human hair beard, and the nice thing about human hair is that you can actually dye it with food coloring. So I just had some pink gel coloring lying around, and when I did a test, it matched the wig perfectly. So I got pretty lucky there. The prosthetics, the ears are latex and the face is foam latex. I do enjoy sculpting. You can see an example of a sculpt of a creature that I've done here, but in general, ears and face are difficult to do because you want really nice seams, and foam latex is preferable because it's lightweight and super easy to paint. Unfortunately, it's really difficult to cast foam latex unless you have the space and supplies necessary to do so, and I don't. So I was really lucky to find a avatar Navi prosthetic online from mostlydead.com, and that worked perfectly for Caduceus. So I was able to airbrush the color on with Hex paint. The wig I got from Arta here. You'll see the link below as well. And keep in mind that if you do purchase this wig, I would recommend cutting a good 70% of the hair off and changing the part that it comes in, just because you don't want to look like our current president. That's all I'm going to say about that. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions remaining, please do comment below. I know that this was just a general walkthrough and I wasn't super detailed because I am trying to avoid crazy long YouTube videos, considering that these things already take me forever to edit. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.